In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 300 DPI image in Canva. Let's get right into it. Open your project in Canva so you're looking at the design you want to export. Along the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Share button. Click that, and in the menu that opens, choose Download. This is where we'll set up the file correctly for a high-resolution export. In the Download panel, change the file type to JPG. JPG is a great choice for photos and complex images because it keeps file sizes manageable while still delivering strong visual quality. With JPG selected, look for the size slider. Drag that slider all the way to the maximum. This increases the pixel dimensions of your exported image, which is what gives you the detail needed for crisp printing. The larger the pixel dimensions, the more data there is to map to 300 dots per inch when the image is printed at a given physical size. Before you download, take a moment to confirm you're exporting the final version of your design. If your project is intended for print, it's best that the canvas itself was originally set to the physical dimensions you plan to print at. That way, when you export at the maximum size, you're aligning pixel count with the print size to achieve that 300 DPI target. When you're ready, click Download. Now, wait as it downloads. Depending on your design's complexity and the size you selected, this may take a few seconds longer than usual. That's totally normal. You're creating a high-resolution file, and it needs a bit more processing time. Once the download finishes, it's a good idea to verify the resolution. Locate the image file you just saved and open its information or properties panel. On most systems, you can view the image's details and look for resolution or density. You should see it listed at 300 DPI. Remember, DPI is a printing measurement, and what truly determines print clarity is the relationship between pixel dimensions and the physical size you'll print at. By exporting as a JPG and dragging the size slider to its maximum, you're ensuring you have the largest pixel count Canva provides for that design, which is exactly what you want for a 300 DPI workflow. And that's it. You've opened your project, used the Share menu to download a JPG, maxed out the size slider, waited for the export, and confirmed the file reads at 300 DPI. Save that image somewhere easy to find, and you're ready to use it in your print project with confidence.